Slide 1 Benignity. Meaning in English, kindness or tolerance toward others. Meaning in Telugu, Daya, Sanubhuti. Usage. Her benignity made her beloved by everyone in the village. Slide 2 Bereavement. Meaning in English, the loss of a loved one due to death. Meaning in Telugu, Sokam, Priyamena Varini Kolpoina Bada. Usage. He took leave from work to cope with his bereavement. Slide 3 Bent. Meaning in English, a natural talent or inclination. Meaning in Telugu, Sahaja Pratibha Leader Mogu. Usage. She has a bent for music since childhood. Slide 4 Benign. Meaning in English, gentle and kind, not harmful. Meaning in Telugu, Anuraganga, Hanikaram Kanedi. Usage. The tumor was found to be benign and not cancerous. Slide 5 Beriberi. Meaning in English, a disease caused by vitamin B1 deficiency. Meaning in Telugu, vitamin B1 Lopam Valor Kalij Vyadhi. Usage. Beriberi is rare today due to vitamin-enriched foods. Slide 6 Bereave. Meaning in English, to deprive someone of a loved one through death. Meaning in Telugu, Priyamena Vyaktini Kolpovidam. Usage. The war bereaved many families of their loved ones. Slide 7 Benevolent. Meaning in English, kind and generous, well-meaning. Meaning in Telugu, Degala, Mansi Manasunna. Usage. The benevolent king donated food to the poor. Slide 8 Berg. Meaning in English, a large floating mass of ice, iceberg. Meaning in Telugu, Manku Gadda. Usage. The ship narrowly missed hitting the berg. Slide 9 Bequeath. Meaning in English, to leave something in a will to someone. Meaning in Telugu, Vastavalekha Dwara Danam Seyadam. Usage. He bequeathed his entire estate to his daughter. Slide 10 Benight. Meaning in English, to overtake with darkness or ignorance. Meaning in Telugu, Ajnananlo Kurukupovidam, Chikatilo Padipovidam. Usage. The hikers were benighted on the trail and needed rescue.